We've got some great cooking classes coming up in spring. We're proud of the way our cooking program is developing. We've embraced classes that introduce our students to new types of cooking. For instance, we've got a Caribbean meal planned. We've got menu classes based on Julia Childs, Emeril Lagasse, and Bill Neal, a North Carolina chef. And we've also looked at things that are traditional to our area. In the fall, we had a collard cooking class. In the spring, we're going to have Pickin University, a great class that's going to take you from start to finish in cooking a whole pig and then enjoying that pig.
Great.
And needlecrafts have become very popular recently. More and more people are interested in learning how to quilt, so we have classes that help you begin quilting and also quilt in various patterns and styles that are a little more advanced. In spring, we're introducing a sewing class for people who want to learn the needle arts from the very beginning. And another craft that always remains popular is our welding for fun. In 5 evenings, you can learn the 3 basic styles of welding, MIG, TIG, and stick, and make a project for you to carry home and enjoy.